In today's video, I'll be swatching the new Winter 2018 collection by KL Polish called Winter Rain. This collection launches December 4th, but it will be available for early order on November 29th. First in the lineup, we have Sophie, which is described as a whitened gray. Guys, this is one of my favorite polishes of all time, and I've only worn it a few times. It's literally the perfect light winter gray color, and the application is amazing. Despite being a light color, 2 coats made this perfectly opaque. If you're only going to pick up one polish from this collection, I definitely recommend this one. Here is 2 coats of Sophie, and I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 jaunty bottle rating. Couldn't be better. Comparatively, I thought this was just going to be a coconut milk rebottle, but as you see here, coconut milk is creamier, and Sophie definitely has gray in it, and Sophie applies way better. Next is Winter is Coming, which is a metallic frosty white with glitter. The first coat is pretty sheer, but the glitter in this polish makes it reflect like crazy, so I think this could be totally worn sheer like this. I needed 3 coats to get it opaque on its own, and you could still see my nail line just a little bit in certain lighting, but you can also layer it over Sophie for a less transparent finish. This one is so shiny and sparkly, I think it would make a great holiday party color. And I don't have any other similar KL polishes, so let's move right on along to the next polish. Here we have Kasanova, which is described as a warm, rusty shade with a pink shine to it. It reminds me of a darkened rose gold color. This applied beautifully in 2 coats. I'm not a huge fan of the color on me. I don't think it flatters my skin tone very well, but it is a very pretty and unique polish. Here's a comparison of Kasanova to Prince Cornelius, and they're definitely different, but they have a lot of the same warm bronziness to them. Next, we have Unfortunate Souls, which is a dusty plum purple with some brown undertones. This one is really pretty, and I feel like it's the perfect winter purple color. This one was almost a 1-coater. If you do super thick coats, you could possibly get away with one. I did 2 thinner coats, and it was perfect. I give Unfortunate Souls 5 out of 5 jaunty bottles. Definitely recommend this one. Mozart is the closest KL polish I have, and as you can see, it's a lot lighter purple. Next is Mother of Dragons, which is a glittery metallic brassy green. The name of this one is very fitting. It's a very olive green, but definitely has a metallic depth to it. And as per usual, 2 coats made this fully opaque. While this is a beautiful polish, I never end up wearing colors like this because I find them not very flattering on pale skin like mine. So I give this 4 out of 5 bottles. Not bad, just not my personal fave. This polish falls right between Medusa and Capricorn. It's got way more glitter than both of them, but it does have a similar metallic finish. And lastly, we have To the Stars, which is a deep metallic royal blue. This is a sapphire in a bottle to me. It's super rich and very striking. 2 coats covered perfectly, and the second coat added more depth to the color. Although it's not super unique, I love these dark jewel tone blues, especially around this time of year, and this applied amazingly. I give this a 5 out of 5. To the Stars is similar to 2 other KL polishes, but as you can see, it's much deeper and richer. So there you have the Winter Rain collection by KL Polish. My top picks are Sophie, Unfortunate Souls, and To the Stars. But this is a very unique collection, so I think there's going to be a polish in there for everyone. Are you planning on picking any of these up, or is it a skip for you? Don't forget to check the description box for a coupon code you can use to save a little bit of money on klpolish.com. Also, I'm thinking about doing a video about my top 10 or 5 or whatever KL polishes. Is that something you'd be interested in? You can let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to watch more KL polish videos, you can click on your screen here.